There's something about the way you look at me that keeps me happy all the time. There's something about the way you move me. You move me all the time. There's something about the way you smile at me. It takes me higher every time.
Guys, so today we're going to the beach. Yeah, beach. So, for photo shoot, ay bakawan.
Ito, balsa.
And yeah, I'm with Maki.
Magkano kuya pag tawid?
Oh, so
Hindi tayo mababasa?
so 5
Hindi naman
lang.
yung mababasa.
Ay hindi, merong ano dun, parang
Hindi
kaun.
po mababasa?
Saan tawid? Diyan lang?
Diyan, ito lang ganda kaya dun sa batuan dun.
So nag-iisip kami kung tatawid.
Tara.
Oh, tara na, let's go.
Tas maglibot tayo dyan, uli-uli tayo pa.
Ano tara?
Oh, let's go.
Di ba dito
Manager.
yung may kuweba kuya? Manager.
Dun po pahatid po.
Yung po.
Okay.
Tol, dito video
So,
mo, aakyat
oh.
kami ng picture ako dito.
Oh, let's go.
Ako rin, lahat tayo. Sige, isa-isa.
Isa, wait lang.
Picture mo na.
So pumunta na kami sa balsa. Parang first time ko to, magbalsa. Yeah. Here we go. Come on.
And tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown.
No, there's no place like home.
Yeah. Sobrang saya sa feeling. Yeah.
Sobrang saya sa Pilipinas.
So ang angas pala pag ganito. Binawangan na ba to? Yung kabila? Ah?
Sila Diego. Ay, hindi pa binuwangan mga travel nila motor nila dito.
Driving at 19 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset all over the car, so lonely.
Oh! Yes! Come on, this is... So update, andito na po kami sa isla. Yeah, isla. Ayan. Maingit yung mga wala na parang mga killjoy. Pinanganak na killjoy. Oh, sarap. Sarap ng hangin. Medyo basa. Sobrang refreshing talaga dito. Mayo.
Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs, and when we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. Me and my friends have not thrown up in so